Very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. And myself Bala here. I'm welcome you all to my YouTube channel. And this video, how to find out a bullish candle on the first 15 minutes by using a charting scanners to find out that kind of stock, which having almost 80 percentage of the body or 70% to 80 percentage of the body should be a green, and which is happening on the first candle. So most of the time, if it has happened, there is a chances to move upside. That would be possible on those stocks, and that we are going to create in this scanner. Maybe this scanner which I'm creating, one of my student who requested to do that. It is a simple scanner. I'm going to make you this video for. You can also create this scanner and make use of it. So I'm going to show you the how the scanner is going to create, how the scanner is going to work, and how to create the scanner that I'm going to discuss in this video. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. And this is a scanner creation part. I'm not going to share you the scanner, so I'm teaching you how to make the scanner. You can follow the steps on this video and you can create the scanner. And what I'm condition is the first candle of a particular day or a particular first 15 minutes. So here is a reversal condition. You can see the body of this particular candle is more than 80 percentage of that particular candle. Okay, so if any candle which is happening in the first 15 minutes, maybe the trend change or trend continuation should be highly possible on this. And if any stocks like if it is goes to positive in 5 minutes, so you can see here on 6th October, it is a positive candle. Almost 80 percentage of the body of the candle is filled with green. Okay, and after that, the breakout and given you some good result like that. So this is what a condition which I am going to create in this video. That's the first candle which having 80 percentage of the body. How to create the scanner, which I'm going to do it with a charting scanner. So I have already having a charting. So you can log in with your account and then it directly go to create a scan. So simply we are going to find out the stock which is having a bullish candle in the first 15 minutes and the bearish candle in the first 15 minutes. Simply I'm going to do in two different scanners, so we can combine both the scanners in the same also, but I don't want to confuse you. So one by one I'm going to make. So in the first one, which I'm going to create the green candle. So green candle normally you know well, the close price is greater than the open. Okay, and high and low. We are going to compare the high and the lowest level with this condition. So let me go to check the first condition. So only simple scanner with the two lines we can easily derive this one. So what I'm going to use it. So I'm going to get the values. Okay, so if you're going to get a values ABS, and I'm going to take a that close price, and simply I'm going to use the negative, that is minus open price. So this will give you the condition to find out in the 15 minutes. And here also we are going to use the 15 minutes, and I'm just looking for a first candle. Okay, equal to 1 is about a first candle. I'm using a 15 minutes time frame. So this will fetch you the value of that particular stock. And the first 15 minutes candle I will divide by, and again I will go for a ABS function. So it is about absolute value. And here I just go for a high minus low, because the high and low is about a full body of the candle, sorry, full length of the candle, high minus low. And I'm going to use it. So let me go for 15 minutes. So if you're following the step, you'll easily get this scanner, and you can also create. And here also I'm just using for the first 15 minutes. If you are using, so you will be getting that scanner. What's happening? VRS, yeah, sorry. Uh, it should be greater than, okay, should be greater than number 0.8. Okay, so if I want to go for a 70%, I can go for a 0.7. And let me run the scan. So you will be this much of stock 0.7. And one more conditions we need to add, for example, Dr. Reddy data consume. So let me check any random LTI entry. So we have to focus LTI entry, and the first candle should be very big candle. In this case, it's showing you 80 percentage of the body. So what I'm just looking for, that should be a green candle. Okay, so I'm just going for the open price. Sorry, we need to take a closing. Okay, so close must be greater than the open price, then it will be a green candle, right? So 15 minutes which are taken, and the same 15 minutes which you are going to use it for. and let me add first 15 minutes. We are going to change the first 15 minutes only. We are going to fetch the data for first 15 minutes candle only. If you are using a first 15 minutes candle, so let me save this to take test a back test. Okay, so if you are looking for, you have a lot of stocks like a Granulus. So let me go for Granulus is finally closed a negative. So let me check what is happening on Granulus. You can see almost 80% of the body it's positive candle. Okay, so wick is very low comparing to almost the body of that particular candle is almost comparing 80%. And once it is breaks, the we can expect upside. But finally, the low would be a stop loss. If it is a big candle, so simply ignore it. So the scanner is working right and Divi's Lab. So let me go for Divi's Laboratories. That forms such a pattern. So big candle. So what we are simply following that first but 15 minutes candle should be a green candle and it should be the 80% of the body. So even we can add even more conditions and that will be simply filtering out those stocks which is going to give you such a pattern. And according to the market direction, you can plan for this. And Dr. Reddy Tata Consumer is the top one. So maybe it's performing Tata Consumer. And look at this, the first candle, and it started giving you good movement. Maybe you can focus on the top list of stocks. And if it is giving you any opportunity, then we can go for Lal Patla. That's also forming such a pattern. Yeah, and it breaks around 2483 and it went up to 2519. So maybe a quick scaling in intraday basis only. We are just planning. The first candle should be a great one. Even you can use for a open low candle also. And simply, so you can add a lot of condition which you know. Open the first candle open equal to low. The first 15 minutes candle itself. If it is breaks after, so it will be added from this list. But what I'm going to use it, if you are using it will be never give you the false signals. It will be a back test would be also right one. So we don't only call for. You got it. So if you add an additional condition that your idea, so you can apply it. Call Paul. You can see what is happening here. Call Paul, but it's not showing you the open low, but it's showing you the 15. So maybe some first 15 minutes open equal to low. That's right. Maybe if you are saying for a back test, you can see the stock will be never changed. And previously about a Canfino, Madani and DLF Enterprise previous day. You can add if you want. I can. So this one maybe in the DLF and where it is here it one. So it maybe not right here, but that scanner will showing you on the first 15 minutes open like that. Okay, so you can, if you wish, you can add more scanners here. So I will remove it here from. And this is what a scanner which you can find out the first candle should be. And even if you are using 90%, then which we are using 70%, I am using for 90% of that candle, body of the candle. So we have only few stocks, Dr. Reddy, Colpol and Torrent Pharma. You can see bigger candle. So like that, we can easily filter out to this one. And if we want to go for a negative one, so here simply open minus close, only the condition which you have changed, and that would be good for. So instead of that 90%, I'll be go for 0.8. That means 80%. Okay, so here close less than. That's a simple change, and it will be reverse for the opposite one. Page Industries, GMR, PNB. So let me go for GMR. Today market is entirely down. So this one is a big red candle 80% and Page Industries. So by using this condition, we simply filter out such a pattern, which is on a first candle is the bullish. So see as so we can find out such a way we can easily create this scanner. And if you want, this is about an idea where I'm going to apply this candle to body to find out either daily, weekly, so that we can increase and added few more conditions to get a good idea to improve the accuracy about the scanners. I hope you enjoyed this session. If you like this, hit the like button and share to your friends. And if you have not subscribed any my channel, kindly hit your subscribe button and press the bell icon to get live notification whenever we meet. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video.